Court is calling 2026 CR 002999 State versus Brianna Owens. Could I have parties announced?
Gary Check for the defendant.
And are you Miss Owens?
Yes, ma'am.
And is this an application?
No,
All right, probation, no application. Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Owens, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We waive.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Here's to leave abandoned count one to be solely on count two and also leave an abandonment punishment.
Any objections?
No objection. You understand that, right?
Yes.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
The state is proceeding on count two. That's possession of controlled substance penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams. That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
She does, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent in what's previous and was saying at the time of the offense?
She is, Your Honor. And she was.
Ms. Owens, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain agreement with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count two. Punishment is to be assessed at 4 years in the prison. There's a $1,000 fine. There are no applications. They're taking in consideration 2026 CR 002997, and there's $120 restitution to the Bexar County Crime Lab. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, any such motions?
There are none, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. Receipt of receipts exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection.
State, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We'll wait, PSI, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just to follow the plea bargain, please.
Oh. The court is going to follow your agreement, sentence you to 4 years in the prison. There's a $1,000 fine, time and money to run concurrently. Taking consideration 2026 CR 00229997. There's to be restitution of $120 to the Bexar County Crime Lab for testing. There's to be no contact with Juan Arizola, Arizola. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, so here's the thing. How old are you?
I'm 39.
All right. So you're gonna have to start making some decisions, because now if you have another felony, depending on the type of felony, your minimum is gonna be 25 years. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So start making better decisions, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
And if there's a drug or alcohol issue with you, when you're released from the prison, there are plenty of places that you can go to. And if you can't find a place, let me know. I'll pick up the phone and call somebody, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.